for Enrique!
Emily Dickinson. The zeros taught us oceanic. We fell in love with serenade, the tidal waves birthed into existence by a lunatic living within graves. Tsunamis became the tongue twister that hit Atlantis lovers in Latin. We learned to play boleros of the melting glaciers with a smuggled phosphorus we held in our fists. Boys who were intimidated by girls who learned to swim by making their wings water resilient. The zeros unlearned us the way we slept on land and dreamt of the sky. Now we slumber beneath the sky's tears and dream that we are awake as the land's thirst quencher. Rain dancing becomes monsoon mambos and tropical storm tangos. The zeros made us believe that we ourselves are fishermen of phosphate phases and wandering words. The zeros lived in futuristic islands and overseas, building utopias from the correlating volcanoes and coral reef. The sun doesn't mess with us. The zeros taught us what the moon forgot to cover. The children who were sailed over and sold in this net worth of a harboring nation belonged to the ocean. The zeros taught us oceanic. The seahorses roam the uncharted quadrant quasars of dead seas, and sea lions roar. The aquatic freedom pirates sailed for and raided for. The zeros taught us to swim, dive, live, breathe, strive. Swim, dive, live, breathe, strive. The zeros taught us oceanic.